Hello teachers, students, and parents. Welcome to the Reading and Writing Station. Today we are learning to recognize middle sounds in words. Recognizing middle sounds in words helps young learners improve phonemic awareness, word decoding, and spelling skills, enhancing overall reading and language development. Don't forget to download and print today's lesson. I put the link in the description box below. For this activity, you will need pencils, crayons, scissors, and glue sticks. Teachers, if you and your students enjoy our interactive lessons, please hit the like button, share with all your friends and colleagues. Most important, please subscribe to the channel so you can get notified about other videos we post, and we will get the credit we deserve for all the hard work we do to create these interactive learning videos for you and your students. Students don't just sit and watch our videos, they actively participate in the lesson. All you have to do is download the lesson. Okay, boys and girls, teachers and parents, welcome to the Reading and Writing Station. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are going to find the missing middle sound. Let's read the directions. It says cut and paste the middle sound, then color the pictures. That's exactly what we're going to do. Take a look at the pictures, boys and girls. Let's say them. Repeat after me. Bag, net, bin, hop, mug, sip, dog. This is pet. I was about to say dog, but this is pet. Pop, tag, dug, because the hole has already been dug. Lip, pig. Okay, we're ready to start. You're going to need your scissors. Take a look at the bottom of your paper. These are the letters that are missing. And if you take a look at them, boys and girls, they're all vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And what do vowels help us to do? Yes, they help us write our names and words. We're going to cut out all the vowels, all the letters, and you don't have to be a perfect cutter, but make sure that you do not cut the letters. And if you've worked with me before, you know that I like to do all my cutting at once. So we're going to cut out all the letters so we won't have to go back and forth cutting. There are 12 empty boxes, so we should have 12 vowels, 12 letters. Parents and teachers, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This activity is in the description box so that your child can work along with us. We don't allow them to just sit and watch. No, they have to participate. And that's the best thing about our channel. So please subscribe so we can get the credit that we deserve for all these great interactive videos. And they're all standard based. Okay, so here we are. We have our 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have our 12 letters ready. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. Boys and girls, we are building our vocabulary. Okay, the first picture, bag. And you're listening, boys and girls. Wait for the cue when I say your turn. Then you're going to repeat after me. Bag, b-a-g, bag. Your turn. Bag, b-a-g, bag. So we're missing a. What letters does a make? What letters makes that sound? A. Exactly. Letter A. You're going to need your glue stick. So we're going to just put a swirl, just a little swirl in the first row of boxes. Don't forget to put your glue top back on your glue, the top back on your glue, and get your A, and we're going to put it, paste the A right there in the middle. Bag, B-A-G, bag. The next word is net. Net. Your turn. Net. Net. We're looking for What sound makes E. I heard someone say E. Yes, boys and girls, you are such great listeners. Ben. 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 Your turn. Ben. N. Ben. Let's do that again. Ben. Ben. What is It's not this sound. This sound is What's I. Exactly. Nobody can fool this group. You know it's the I sound. B-I-N, Ben. Your turn. B-I-N, Ben. Now take a look at the picture. Hop, 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 hop. Your turn. Hop, hop, hop. We're looking for What sound is Oh, yes. Oh. Mug. Mug. Your turn. Mug. Mug. What's You up mug. And she's sipping. Sip. Sip. Your turn. Sip. Sip. I. Ip. Very good. We finished our first row. We're on the ball. Let's say the words bag, net, bin, hop, bag, mug, sip. Very good, boys and girls. Now you're going to need your glue stick again. So we're going to place a little glue in there. And we see our pet dog. He's a pet. Say pet. Pet. Your turn. Pet. Pet. We're looking for E. I can hear it. E. Yes. E makes the sound. Pop. Pop. Your turn. Pop. Pop. Oh. This is a tag. Tag. Your turn. Tag. Tag. What makes the ass sound? A. You remember, because we did it there. A. Doug. D. G. Doug. Your turn. Doug. D. G. Doug. What's You. Lip. Lip. Ip. Lip. Your turn. Lip. Ip. Lip. I. There's only 2 letters that are left. The eyes. And pig. Ig. Your turn. Pig. Ig. Pig. I. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, let's say the words. Pet, pop, tag, Doug, lip, pig. Boys and girls, you're learning new words and you're learning to spell them. How about that? Okay, now it's for the fun time. Time to color the pictures, and I'll be right back. Okay, boys and girls, we're done. Let's take a quick review of what we've done. And just to remind you, don't forget to write your name at the top of the paper. We followed the directions that told us to cut and paste the middle sound, then color the pictures. Let's say the words quickly again. Bag, net, bin, hop, mug, sip, pet, pop, tag, Doug, lip, pig. You were great, boys and girls. See you next time.